Good morning, children. Now we'll continue with Shakespeare, Act 1, Scene 1. You can follow in your scripts which you have got. We are doing the long speech said by Gratiano that he wants to play the part of a fool. He wants to always smile and laugh and enjoy himself. And we also refer to the Elizabethan belief that people who are always gloomy and sad will develop the disease of jaundice. And Gratiano advises Antonio not to be sad and gloomy. And we refer to some people who are always sad and silent, their faces are like a stagnant pool. And we also mentioned that these people think that they are Sir Oracle. Oracle is the voice of the Greek gods, which is infallible, means what they speak cannot go wrong. Even if they prophesy or even if they make some statements, the oracle will always say what is right, what is true. So these people who are sad and gloomy will think that they are oracle. And they say that when they speak, others should listen, others should remain silent. Let no dog bark. The other people should remain silent. But if these people who are gloomy and sad open their mouths to say something, they will speak such nonsense that others listening to them will call them fools. Now, damn their ears means the people listening to them will call them fools and they will be damned. They will be damned means because they call these sad, gloomy people who are opening their mouths to say something, they talk nonsense and they call these people fools, they will be damned. Means they will be in danger of hellfire, means they will be thrown into hell. This is a reference to the Bible that if you call your brother a fool, you will be damned, means you will be in danger of going into hell. Which hearing them would call their brothers fools. I'll tell thee more of this another time. Gratiano says he has more advice to give Antonio, but he will speak of it another time. But fish not with this melancholy bait. A bait is a small fish which is attached to the hook in order to catch bigger fish. So this melancholy is like a bait. Fool gudgeon, it is a worthless fish. The bait, that is a small fish attached to the hook, is actually a worthless fish. So this melancholy is like a worthless fish which will not help you in any way. It will not, you will not gain anything by being sad, gloomy and silent. Fish not with this melancholy bait. Do not have anything to do with melancholy, with sadness. For this fool gudgeon is the worthless fish which is attached to the hook in order to catch other fish. It is like a bait. So this bait, melancholy is a bait which is the opinion. In order to win the opinion of other people, you should not be sad and silent. Come, good Lorenzo, fare ye well awhile. I'll end my exhortation after dinner. I have more advice to give you which will be given after dinner. Lorenzo, well, we will leave you then till dinner time. I must be one of those same dumb wise men, for Gratiano never lets me speak. If Lorenzo is in the company of Gratiano, Gratiano always does the talking. He does not give Lorenzo a chance to talk because he is always talking. So Lorenzo says he is like one of those dumb people, those silent, those people who don't talk. He is like one of them when he is with Gratiano. Gratiano, well, keep me company but 2 years more. Thou shalt not know the sound of thine own tongue. So Gratiano replies by saying, if you come with me, if you be my friend, if you are in my company for 2 more years, you will forget the sound of your own tongue, because I will do all the talking and I will not give others the chance to talk. And Antonio, farewell. I'll grow a talker for this year. I will try to be more talkative because of all the advice that you have given me. Here refers to the advice which Graciano has given him. Graciano, thanks in faith, for silence is only commendable in a neat's tongue drive. This is the tongue of an ox which is supposed to be a delicacy, a tasty food. So people who are silent are compared to neat's tongue drive. Neat refers to the ox, the tongue of the ox. Exeunt, Graciano and Lorenzo. Exeunt means they leave the stage. It is the plural form of exit. Exit means leaving. So when more than one people leave the stage, you use the word exeunt. Exeunt, Graciano and Lorenzo. Is that anything now? Is that anything now means, does Bassanio want to tell him anything in secret, which is only for the ears of Antonio? Bassano. Graciano speaks an infinite deal of nothing, more than any man in all Venice. Graciano talks a lot. His talk is idle talk. He talks more than any man in Venice. His reasons are as 2 grains of wheat hid in 2 bushels of chaff. Chaff